Hello and welcome to the Sustainable Environmental Design Upper Division Courses module. In this module, we will go over the restricted electives for the SED major, as well as adding a minor. The SED major requires a minimum of 20 units of upper division restricted elective courses. The restricted electives include 4 general areas of interest, and students have the choice to choose classes based on their personal interest. The 4 areas of interest are society, culture, and sustainability, ecological systems and restoration, design and building, and government and planning. In each of these areas, there is a pre-approved list of classes you can take, which can be found on the SED website under academic advising. However, it is important to note that some of these courses might have prerequisites. If there is a course that is interesting to you and is not part of the list, you may get it approved by speaking to a major advisor. Some examples of courses you can take from the list for society, culture, and sustainability are anthropology courses like Ant 101, which focuses on ecology, nature, and society. Economics like Econ 115A or B, which is more on economic development. And sociology 143A, urban society. For ecological systems and restoration, students can take classes in environmental science and policy, which includes environmental law, landscape architecture, such as Introduction to GIS, and plant sciences like urban ecology. For design and building, students can take environmental engineering courses like ECA 123, urban systems and sustainability, and design courses like Design 127A, sustainable design. In the government and planning area of interest, some courses students are able to take are community regional development, like CRD 171, Housing and Social Policy, and political science like Pol 102, Urban Public Policy. Students can choose to focus on one area of interest or choose courses from all the different groups. There is a range of classes, and students have the freedom to pick at least 5 restricted elective courses. Remember that some of these courses might have prerequisites and they must be taken for a letter grade in order for it to suffice the major requirement. Adding a minor is recommended for SED students, specifically those who are 4-year students, since the SED major only covers 101 total units. A student needs 180 units to graduate, and 54 of those units must be upper division units. The SED major only covers 40 upper division units, therefore it is recommended that students add a minor to satisfy the requirement. For minor requirements, students need 5 upper division classes in that minor, and only 1 class can overlap between your minor and major. Some popular minors for SED students include community development, environmental policy analysis and planning, landscape restoration, sustainability in the built environment, wildlife, fish and conservation biology, and more information can be found in the general catalog under minors. One way that students can fulfill their restricted elective requirements is through studying abroad. There are various programs offered through the UC Davis Global Learning Hub. Some programs that relate to the SED major are Community Technology and Sustainability in Nepal. This is a quarter abroad program offered in fall. In this program, students will take CRD 153A and CRD 198, which earns them 8 restricted elective units. There are also summer abroad programs like GIS in the Land of Thunder Dragon in Bhutan. In this program, students will take LDA 150 and LDA 198. Another program is Sustainable Cities of Northern Europe, where students travel through Sweden, Denmark, Germany, and Switzerland while taking LDA 191 and ESP 173. There is also Housing and Urbanism in Barcelona. Here, students have the choice of 2 course paths. They can either take CRD 153A and CRD 198, or LDA 191 and LDA 198. All these programs will fulfill 8 restricted elective units. And for more information on other study abroad programs, navigate to the Global Learning Hub website.